Hello everyone, welcome to GB Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe it, enable notification for more interesting videos. We are continuing on 30 days Pro Java programming challenge. Right, this is the day 23. Right, what is the today's challenge? Factorial of a given number. Right, factorial of a given number. Right, fine. Now, what is the factorial of given number? Suppose I have given 3. What is the factorial of given number? How to calculate factorial first of all? Right, we have to 3 decrease 1, 2 decrease 1, right? Then we will multiply each number. Right, then we will get factorial of it, right? 6. Right, like this we have to calculate. Right, factors. First we have to calculate the factors. We have to decrease 1 by 1. That's it. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Right, what is 24? Right, then easy way is, right, what is the easy way we can do it? Right, we have to take the for loop, right, and 1 to for I equal to 1 less than or equal to number n, whatever number we will give. Then 1 by 1 number increase it, right? We will take the initially n equal to 1 and then we can multiply it. Right, simply we can achieve factor. But how to achieve? By using recursion. Right, how to achieve? By using recursion. Right, in the interviews maybe they will, right, factorial is easy one only. But how to achieve? By using recursion. Right, recursion means how, what is the recursion first of all? A method calling itself is called a recursion. Suppose I have created one factorial, right? Okay. Factorial of number, suppose integer n. Right, now a method is calling itself. A method is calling itself is called a factorial. Right, again if I call this right, factorial, but if we call like this, what will happen? It will call infinite times. We have to, based on some condition, we have to stop it. Right, based on condition we have to stop this. Right, if suppose if n becomes 0 or n equal to 1, right, then return 1. If 0 or 1 means we have to return either 0. If we pass the 0, we have to return 1. Either it is 1, we have to return. Factorial of 0 or 1 is 1. Then we have to call n minus 1. Right, every time we have to, right, we have to n equal to n into multiply factorial of n minus 1. Right, we have to call decrease 1 and then call initially. Suppose if we want to call factorial of 3. Right, how it will work? Right, 3 into factorial of n minus 1, 2. Again, what will happen? What is the result? Here it will store result as a 6. Right, again it will call 6 into factorial of decrease n minus 1, 1. 6 into 1, 6 only. Right, like this it will store. Right, recursion means a method is calling itself is called a recursion. Now how to achieve this factorial of a given number using recursion? Right, whoever joined, please start the program. Right, once done, please copy paste our program in the comment section. Right, let me start parallelly then. I'm creating a class. Okay, day 23. Right, day 23 challenge. Right, create the main method. now we can create a one reusable method to calculate the factorial of the given number. Okay. Right, factorial of n. Now suppose if n equal to 0, we can write either n equal to 0 only, we can write it. Or see, IntelliJ itself it is giving the logic for us. Right, if n equal to 0, 0, right, return 1, or else call again, return factorial of n into n minus 1. Right, calling a method itself is called a recursion. Now how to system.out.println call this factorial of it. Right, factorial of suppose 3. We will do factorial of 3. How to run it? We can run it, just click on the here green button, run as file. Right, it will execute and say 6. Suppose factorial of 5. Right, factorial of 5. Right, 5 into 4, 20 into 3, right, 120. Right, it is working fine. Right, either factorial or you can learn Fibonacci series. Right, Fibonacci series, how to print the Fibonacci series or prime numbers by using recursion. You can also practice those things. Right, thanks for watching. Whoever joined, thanks for them. Right, whoever did not get a chance, please take some time and join the practice the program and paste in the comment section. We will see how many ways we can solve this factorial. Right, thanks for everyone. Please share to your friends if you like it. If you say it is interesting, you can share to your friends. They will also learn it. Right, thanks for watching.